Nick Velasco coming out of nowhere. Wow! 200 slam dunk there for Nick Velasco. Ganda naman ng follow-up shot para Nick Velasco with a put-in.
All of a sudden, the rim just got a lot bigger here for the Coca-Cola Tigers.
Makakahabol kay Austin Racela. Pinigay pa kay Velasco. What a slam dunk!
What a shot by Velasco. Ganda ng pagkakabasa niya ng depensa ng Coca-Cola that time. And went sliced through in the middle. Yung tagal ng samahan ng San Miguel, talagang nakikita mo. They don't have to look at each other.
He has eyes like a point guard. Kitang-kita niya, libre si Nick Velasco. And of course, Nick Velasco just had to finish and get...
Nick Velasco with the final say, and San Miguel restores a 12-point lead.
Another end one opportunity. Nick. From Wilmer Ong.
Easy baskets for Nick Velasco.
None bigger than that last shot. Oh.